Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this awesome green coloring for your videos in CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is add your clips and then just go to filter and find the scenery category and select the green lake filter and set it to around 80. Okay, now go to adjust and click on sharpen and add it to around 14, and then click on the add cell. Now set or edit the green color, set the hue to around 15, saturation 20, and then the luminance 5. Okay, now for the blue color, lower the hue into negative 70 like this. Go back, now click on the grabs and edit the green and red color. So for the red one, I'm going to add 3 dots like this, and you can edit it like so. Now for the green color, set it like this. Okay, now go back and set the temperature to -2 and the hue -12, and you are done. So this will be the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.